Let's face it, folks, coffee. It's the elixir that jumpstarts our mornings, but like a trusty cast-iron skillet, it has its quirks. Sure, that caffeine molecule is a welcome jolt to the system, but too much can leave you jittery and reaching for more. And let's not forget the potential pitfalls: stained teeth, disrupted sleep, and let's be honest, sometimes our beloved brew can feel like a bad houseguest, overstaying its welcome in our digestive system. But fear not, intrepid beverage explorers. There's a whole world of delicious and invigorating alternatives out there, drinks that can provide a natural pick-me-up without the roller coaster ride. So put down that extra-large mug and join me on a journey to discover a symphony of flavors that will awaken your senses and fuel your body in entirely new ways. Our first stop takes us to the Far East, where we encounter green tea, a beverage steeped in tradition and brimming with health benefits. Green tea gets its superpowers from antioxidants, those microscopic warriors fighting free radicals in our bodies. Think of it as giving your cells tiny little bulletproof vests. And if you're looking for a little boost in the metabolism department, green tea is your new best friend. Thanks to its moderate caffeine content and L-theanine, it offers both calming effects and an energy boost. To unlock its earthy goodness, simply steep the leaves in hot water for a few minutes and you've got yourself a cup of liquid sunshine. Now, if green tea is like your friendly neighborhood superhero, then matcha is its superpowered cousin from another planet. This vibrant green powder is essentially green tea leaves that have been ground into a fine powder, packing a concentrated punch of antioxidants and a unique flavor profile. Matcha is known for providing a calm, focused energy, with higher levels of caffeine and antioxidants, making it the perfect sidekick for tackling that to-do list or powering through a workout. Just whisk it with hot water until frothy and prepare for liftoff. Next, we venture to the heart of South America, where we encounter yerba mate, a beverage steeped in tradition and known for its invigorating properties. This South American staple is traditionally sipped from a gourd with a metal straw, but you can enjoy its earthy goodness in a regular mug. Rich in caffeine, yerba mate provides a smooth, sustained energy boost without the jitters. Think of it as a warm, comforting hug that also happens to wake you up. Now let's discover the chai tea, a symphony of spice. Our journey now takes us to India, the land of spices and vibrant flavors, where we encounter chai tea, a beverage that will tantalize your taste buds and warm you from the inside out. Chai is a symphony of black tea infused with a medley of spices like cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, and cloves. This aromatic blend not only delights the senses, but also offers a moderate caffeine content, making it a warming and energizing drink. So, brew yourself a cup, inhale the intoxicating aroma, and let the warmth of chai transport you to a cozy haven. Next, coconut water, nature's sports drink. Let's take a detour from the world of tea and explore the refreshing realm of coconut water, a natural electrolyte powerhouse that will quench your thirst and provide a refreshing energy boost. Think of it as Mother Nature's sports drink, packed with potassium, magnesium, and other essential minerals that are lost through sweat. Whether you're recovering from a workout or simply need a hydrating boost, crack open a fresh coconut or grab a bottle of pure coconut water and experience the taste of the tropics. Smoothies, a breakfast symphony. For those who prefer their morning pick-me-up in a more substantial form, let's step into the world of smoothies, where fruits, vegetables, and a dash of creativity collide to create a symphony of flavors and textures. Smoothies are a fantastic way to pack in a ton of nutrients, packed with fruits, vegetables, and protein for a nutritious and energizing start to your day. The possibilities are endless. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most effective, and that's certainly the case with lemon water, a refreshing and revitalizing way to start your day. Simply squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water, and you've got yourself a beverage that can boost your energy levels and metabolism, while giving your body a much-needed dose of vitamin C. It's like a mini spa treatment for your insides. Now let's talk about adaptogenic herbs, adapting to energy. Let's journey into the world of adaptogenic herbs and explore the ancient wisdom of ashwagandha and rhodiola. revered for their energizing and stress-reducing properties. Adaptogenic herbs help your body adapt to stress and maintain balance, boosting your energy levels naturally. Think of them as a gentle nudge in the right direction, helping you power through your day with a sense of calm focus. Simply steep a few slices of ashwagandha or rhodiola root in hot water and experience the subtle yet powerful effects of these ancient remedies. Now we have kombucha, the Tangy Tonic. Now, for those seeking a more adventurous flavor profile, let's explore the world of kombucha, a tangy tonic that has gained popularity for its potential health benefits. Kombucha is a fermented tea that provides probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health, and a gentle energy boost from its natural caffeine content. To enjoy its unique flavor, pour a glass of kombucha and add some fresh fruit for an extra burst of taste. Next, the Turmeric Twister. Our final stop takes us back to India, where we encounter golden milk, a warm and comforting beverage that's as delicious as it is good for you. The star ingredient here is turmeric, a spice known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Combined with warming spices like ginger and cinnamon, golden milk is like a soothing balm for your body and soul. To make it, simply simmer turmeric, ginger, and your favorite spices in milk, then sweeten to taste. This soothing drink can help reduce inflammation and boost energy. So, there you have it. 10 fantastic alternatives, each with unique energy-boosting properties and benefits. From the calming effects of herbal teas to the nutrient-packed punch of smoothies, the antioxidant-rich matcha, and the anti-inflammatory benefits of golden milk. Each drink offers a unique way to start your day with vitality. Try one, try them all, and discover your new favorite way to greet the morning. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more content like this.